Any court case is really divided into two parts. It's deficiencies, technical issues, constitutional violations that are going to allow us to suppress evidence or get the case outright dismissed is the first half of the case. That's the first prong of the court case. The other prong is going to be analyzing the forensics and making a determination as to whether or not that blood or breath evidence is satisfactory to prove what the state is trying to prove, i.e. that someone had a BAC above a .08 or above a 1.5 or above a 2.0 in certain circumstances. And what we're doing is analyzing both things together, preparing a trial binder from day one. We don't go to court with pre-trial in mind. We go to court preparing for trial, and then we use that to try to negotiate the best plea offer we can for our clients so that we can put them in the situation of control again. We want you to have the control. We want you to focus on, because it's kind of a helpless feeling when somebody else has control over your life.